Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And yes, this is the look from the Pure Times Raw Beauty Christy palette, but I did add a lipstick with the Maybelline Vivid Liquid Matte in Orange Shot, which goes pretty well with the eye look today. But I'm ready to wash this makeup off. It's still holding up really well. The only part that like did anything was like under here, because it was so hot today. I had to run to the mall and mask on. I think that contributed to it. But then when I got back, because I walked pretty fast in the mall, like end to end, really quickly. But anyway, I've got a little bit of a Factory Connection off. Some stuff that was mostly on clearance. And then what I got, I had to go to the mall and pick up from Hot Topic. So, okay. First things first, I left my new sunglasses I had got at the VS outlet at my brother's. And I doubt they'll come back to me in the same condition. They might, but anyway, I just picked these up from Factory Connection just because they're cute and they were $4.99. So these were on sale. They have like weird things like in the men's section. They actually have more of a men's section now with underwear and socks and stuff like that. Anyway, but these were the only ones that were on sale. Don't know why these were the only style on sale. But these are on sale for $4.90 from $6.99 or $7. And these are low cut socks. So someone's getting these for Christmas. I don't think they'll be my brother's birthday present because he tends to like crew socks more, I think. But I'll ask him if he likes low cut socks. Because maybe they'll be for his birthday. I don't know. But they're Mossy Oak brand. They feel pretty thick. You got a black and like a charcoal gray and then a white pair. But they're pretty thick. So I picked this up for my niece. I'm pretty sure that Full Circle Trends is a junior size. But anyway. And this is the niece whose birthday is next month. I have barely anything for her, but this was 75% off, so it's originally $18. I got it for $4.50. I think it's adorable. It's a dress. It's just so stinking cute and perfect for fall. Perfect for her for fall. And it has a little tie belt. I think that's so cute. So that's hers. They have these leggings, just this one random pair for $1.50 in a small and juniors. So that'll be for my niece. They're really soft. They're not fleecy, but they kind of feel warmer, you know, and they're really super soft and so pretty. So it'll be for my niece. That'll be 17 in December. And this I actually tried on myself. It did fit. It's just like there's this band on the arm which hits me where my arm's like really fat. And I hate that. Like if that's the crook of my elbow, fine. But it hit like right here and I was like, ew. It wasn't like tight looking, but because it had that band and it cinched in more, I don't know, it just made me look a little sausagey. So I didn't love this on me, but I was like, you know who I love it on? I love it on my mom. My mom's like smaller chested than me, but we wear like the same pant size, except for she's shorter and stuff. And this I think would suit just her. Like I can tell like if something suits me kind of, not fully, it'd probably suit her body type a little bit more. And also when things get short on me, I usually pass them to my mom. Sometimes my sister-in-law, depending on the size. And I got her the 1X, and this is just a simple cow neck sweater. Brown. Looks nice. And I think a lot of it, I don't know. It does have a band in the back as well. But the band on the sleeves flip out. But it all looks kind of see. Mom did an inherent big arm. She has really thin arms. So I went to the mall because I'd ordered something and it had already come in. And I got the email like 5 days ago, and they only give you 7 days to pick up from Hot Topic. And the reason why I ordered from Hot Topic was they had a 50% off clearance. So I dug around, looked at things just to shop. Anyway, I get there and I tell this guy my name. I said, I have an order. And he comes back and says, I can't even find your order. And I said, well, tell me right here it's available for here. You know, we double checked everything. I was like, it's available here. And see, I was standing outside because they can only allow, it's such a small place in the mall. They can only allow 10 people in. And so it was like, Max just kind of told me to stand in the door. And I was like, or Joy, I was like, okay. Can't find anything. He was like, he said, come on in, with him. And then I saw it. They had the shelf behind them at their little register thing on the shelf, because they do mark the name. They put the last name on your package. I noticed that last time. But anyway, I'm going to show you the side that didn't have my name. But yeah, I didn't expect it to arrive in this big old box. I guess it makes sense with what I did here. Like I was expecting things. So yeah, I was carrying this big old thing because it was at the opposite end of the mall. I went through that way because I wanted to come back through the food court, which is on that side, because they have really good food in a few of those places. Like they have a good Japanese place, but the place I wanted to go to was Chinese food, because we only have one Chinese food and restaurant in town. It's not very good. But that place in the mall, for like $5.49, you get so much sesame chicken. It's their manager special. That's what I always just get, and it's so good. But you get so much sesame chicken. It's like real fried chicken, and fried rice and lo mein, and it's so good. But anyway, these are on sale, and these are metal earbuds, but they're like long. Like the ones that come with this phone don't fit in my ears. I have such a small ear canal and stuff. Like even the ones that I think a lot of people are complaining that the Apple ones don't really fit in their ears anymore, but even the previous ones wouldn't fit in my ears. But these are cool. These are like Halloween Michael, which I love. It's one of my favorite horror movies. I don't know if I have it on DVD here. I bought these for my nephew. He's 12. So he likes, he still likes Avengers and stuff, but they have these in his socks. It's like so cute. Yeah, it's like that's just a face figure. They're cute, these little chibi Hulk. Hulk used to be his favorite. It's size small. He's an extra small right now in men's, but the Captain America shirt, I'm going to open it and show y'all. It has that. American's black. This. Okay, this is one of my Funko Pops. I guess the reason why it's shipped in such a big box was that, or two of these. These are down to $4 with the code YAY50 because they're already on clearance, and then it took it off again. So this is a Fortnite 514 Leviathan. So that's cool. He has a little helmet. So that is for Ben. This thing is for, I think I've spoken about it. This is the most expensive thing in there, and the discount I think is $15. But I thought it was cool. It is eat something. Crush resistant followers the dark side. Sith Legion first order. But I thought it was so cool. Look at it. It's a little bit big, but it has this zipper, but it's like, you know, holes all the way through. But then you have like, I guess a little extra. I just feel like a zipper. I think it's just decoration. And I don't know if this one's just decoration. No, that's an actual little pocket right there too. And I just thought it looked kind of cool. I hadn't seen anything like that. And like that would be a great Christmas present for him. The kid mostly doesn't wear a jacket anyway. He's very hot natured. I'm not very, he's always hot natured. So you probably go around in that, not much else. So I haven't really seen that kind of hooded pocket sweatshirt without the hood. So I thought it was on sale for after the $50 for $13.59. Just a fuzzy little fit right at her waist. It's almost a crop top. It's like a half zipper and it has a hood. She's so soft. She'll like that a lot. If I can keep it mostly hair free, that would be great. Okay, just, oh, I was excited. I found a Star Wars shirt for Nathan. My little fiasco where I had ordered him Star Wars shirts, and it turns out that wasn't his size anymore, even though it was 3 months prior. Of course, or 2 months prior. So, this is medium, and this is Star Wars Fallen Order logo tee. So, it looks like it says Jedi Fallen Order. I don't know if that's new movie or old original movies, but still cool. He'll know, he'll tell me. Okay, this I got an extra large. My sister-in-law, she should be extra large junior. And she loves I love the OG Mary Poppins more than the new movie. I mean, the new movie is cute and all, but she actually, I mean, she loves the old movie, but she loves the second movie too. So they have this little Mary Poppins shirt, and it says A Spark of Imagination, and that's the new one. That's the Hamilton guy. If I realized it was a Hamilton guy, I might have ordered one for my niece as well, because she loves Hamilton. That's what I need to get. I did get her this. It's a little crop top, because she loves crop tops. This is, oh, I didn't realize it was printed on the back, but okay. I just show you the world. I don't know what that mess is. Agrabah. That's the back. I didn't realize I had that in the back. Oh, show me the world. Show me the world. That's what that is. That's weird writing. Anyway, it has that on the back. I didn't realize I had that on the back, but hopefully she'll still wear it. I just thought it was that. I knew she would wear it. That pretty. So there's my haul. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.